Here we're going to look at what is the National Links Trust. Well, it's listed as one of the most important and under-discussed organizations in modern golf. And it's especially because it takes care of public golf and historical courses, accessibility, and preservation. In short, the National Links Trust exists to protect, operate, restore, and advocate for public accessibility, historical significance, and golf courses in the United States. But there's a deeper story that matters. Fortunately, I couldn't find a Wikipedia page, and because of the recent news on this nonprofit organization, I wanted to learn about it on a quick video. And the National Links Trust was founded just in 2017 as a nonprofit organization and after the National Trust of Historical Preservation. But it has a mission focused on golf course as a culture and civil assets. Now, for decades, public golf, especially older municipal courses, faced declining funding, pressures to sell land for development, poor maintenance and management, and also there's a number of other reasons, of course, because golf wasn't as popular as it is now as well. But the core mission here, as we can walk through the National Links Trust, is around four pillars: preserve, which is pretty easy when you have some historical golf courses that you're preserving and have a lease under. But preserving, restoring, and then public assets. So then you're going to be looking at golf courses and making sure they're open to the public, tee times that are affordable, and public accessibility, and education and advocacy. Now, there are all four very important factors that should be a mission statement for every golf course, but here with the National Links Trust, we're going to walk through their breakthrough in DC, and their moment came in 2019 when they were selected to operate three historical municipal golf courses in DC. Those are East Potomac Golf Course, Lincoln Golf Course, and then Rock Creek Golf Course. Very historical and important golf courses that should be open. They should be historical museums, if anything. But yes, some of them face problems, especially Rock Creek Golf Course that has an amazing history of closing, open, and something that we want to get over to in the near future. But nonetheless, this nonprofit, it's not a private managed company, took control of these three golf courses under a 50-year lease. And we're only about 3 years into that lease. In their mission, as mentioned under their four pillars. Overall, there are three courses. The busiest one would be the East Potomac, which is easily the busiest with, I think, 27 holes. I actually went out there and did some. It has beautiful views, the National Mall, and it's a living monument. It's a true municipal golf course. It's a unique golf course. You got Langston, which has some deep history of the civil rights, and it served as the black golfers golf course, designed by William Flynn, and is one of the most cultural important golf courses in America. You also have Rock Creek that has an interesting history of the Army Corps of Engineers coming and building it, closing and leasing it, and just pretty much defining where we're at right now here when it comes to the ownership of these three golf courses. The National Links Trust is so important. It is responsible for the lease and the mission's responsibility throughout the lease agreement. And then there's Troom Golf that is contracted out, serving those three golf courses on day-to-day operations. So the people working behind the counter are going to be Troom Golf associates. Now, also the National Links Trust has a long list of board members, just like any other nonprofit would, each one having an important aspect in the community in regards to golf and growing the community of golf as a whole. Overall, we definitely would like to learn a little bit more about the lease of this 50 years. In my experience, sometimes these leases can only be $1 a month. Sometimes the 50-year lease is $1 or it's market price. And at that point, then yeah, this is a pretty interesting concept. Now, just being only 3 years into a 50-year lease, it was important to get some information out there and understand as much as we can here about the agreement of the National Trust Links, which is a lease between the National Park Services for the municipal golf courses in October of 2020 when they took over that lease. And since then, there's been a number of projects that they've put forth, most recently being Rock Creek's project. Now, a lot of that could be on standstill, and we don't want to dive into the news aspect. We're going to end it like that. If you have any information that you would like to add, please add it in the comment section below. Here at the Professor, bringing educational golf content to you and yours.